At this point, I was unaware that the intro that I prepared in a camera that wasn't recording. So now you have a wonderful voiceover with a series of... In this video series, we'll be using three main products, all made by Midwax: a pre-stain wood conditioner, followed up by a wood stain using Early American 230. And our finish will be done by applying 2 coats of polyurethane clear semi-gloss. In between the first and second coat, we will be using steel wool to knock down any heavies so we get that smooth finish that we desire for our second coat. And in between doors, always clean your brush. Keep mineral spirits or paint thinner close by. Have a container that you can dip your brush in and keep your bristles clean. You're constantly applying the best application you can.
And a lot of times, it's really easy to, think the best way to do this is just use one side of the door, allow it to dry, and then do the stain. But then when you put the stain on it, when the stain runs through the slats, it's going to make it uneven coat because the other side hasn't been conditioned. So when I go ahead and condition this, I'll do both sides of the door. Then when I stain it, I'll do both sides of the door as well. And then I'll put it up against the wall so that you dry completely. And the biggest thing is getting down a system. The biggest thing is getting down a system where you can use your time effectively, but the overall results are pretty close to flawless. There's always going to be imperfections, but you know what? It's something that can't be fixed when there's not given a road unless you see things. None of it's here unless you can please. But anyways, let's get into this. Now, on these slats, the easiest thing is just going straight down inside, right? You start in one of the biggest seams and work it all the way down there, right? Get it on there, get it on there. With the stain, we're going to do something very similar. And when you're going down these slats, you want to go in the same direction as the slots, so there's no real resistance on the brush. And you want to be generous when applying the conditioner because the raw wood will suck this right up. It will suck it up. But the biggest thing is you want to make sure that all the wood is coated nice and even. You don't want to go too thin, but you don't want to go too thin. Just going to work our way on down. Now, how we apply the conditioner, compare how we apply the stain to how we apply the polyurethane, is all going to be different. But every step is a different application for how we go about it. For instance, with polyurethane is going to set up relatively quick. So when you're doing the spots, try to do both sides, but I'll only make over a quarter. Now, with the conditioner, I'm going to do this whole door before I split it because it's not as critical. So I'm doing the stain, I'll do half of this section, flip it, do the other half, then flip it back, do the other half, flip it, finish up, do the other half, do all the borders, and then I'll start wiping it. And you can see the final results. Now, with this conditioner, you don't have to move the stats. You can move whatever is comfortable for you. Now, when you start getting into the stains and stuff, you don't want to just be flying. You want to move at speed and then what is comfortable, which is comfortable for you. But you want to also be very careful because you can be messed with. The biggest thing with any sort of finish work, like painting, doing staining, every application is going to be different. But as you go, whatever you're painting or staining, it will actually tell you how it wants to be painted or stained. Whether it's a series of inputs, for instance, painting the aluminum, right? I'll go extremely thin, but I'm going to give it 3 coats. But by the time it's all said and done, I can make it look like actual interface for it. You know, where if it said you're being like an exterior of a home, you can go really heavy. You know, you have that ability to really apply thick, and you know you got playroom for that application. Where with a metal door, let's say, you go too thick, it's gonna look like turkey droppers. Or one like says, it's like cat crap, absolute cat crap. See, go relatively quick, you have that going on. See, normally on the other ones, this is a different style. I would normally be plugging it and doing the other side, but I'm just going to go for the whole thing. Again, that this conditioner, it's not as crucial. And the biggest thing, when you start flipping these things around every which direction, you know, it's real easy. You're like, well, did I do that side? Did I not do that side? So, you know, you always want to be making sure you've got a constant mental note where you're at in your process. And you know what? You're going to have mistakes. Remember one thing, it's nothing that cannot be fixed. No, it's not mistakes actually turn out. Give it really good character. Make it look good. That's all that matters. So, I'm going to turn these off and I will get back with you. Look here. Let me finish this real quick. Now you notice how I cut down both the sides, right? Now I'm working the center panels. But remember this, when you're working on these plots, you got X amount of, whether it's conditioner, whether it's stain, whether it's the polyurethane, that is leading to the other side. This conditioner is very forgiving. All it does is absorb into the pores of the wood, right? So when we apply our stain, it gives it a nice, smooth application, right? So now, here's about one of the sides, got a few more sides. But now also with the polyurethane, that polyurethane, it goes on the other side, you can make a mess. Now, with closet doors and stuff like that, who's going to see the other side of it? You know, I tend to be a perfectionist, so I don't care if no one's going to see it, but especially like on a small job like this, and the homeowner's going to be putting them up, I want it to look good all the way around, and not just like, well, it looks good on this side, but this side looks like you really stop caring. That is not what we are going for. You know, so you want normally, like, really want to give this a good standing. Or he was not worried about it. He's getting ready to sell his home. And I wish I could show you the inside because he has done some woodwork. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. Now, get this top rail. You will see, once we move to this thing, the application gets different on how we go about it because I do it in sections. I do it all the way through in sections. Let's see. Oh. There isn't too much to do. Now on the other side, we won't continue what we were going with. But on the one side, again, put all slats. And the last thing, especially if you're staying on this, is look on down it. you see nothing but raw wood in there, you know that you're missing. So this step is most crucial. But I'm gonna get these two doors up, and I will turn back on the cameras and we're gonna see.